Howdy, folks, and welcome to the 5-Minute Vault. Today, we're unlocking the secret to making real money with the help of our favorite little genius, ChatGPT. Now, you might be thinking, how can a chat robot put dollars in my wallet? Well, partner, ChatGPT isn't just for fun and games. It's a powerful writing and idea-generating machine. It can help you brainstorm, polish, and produce professional content faster than a hot rod on race day. From articles to ad copy, from product descriptions to poetry, ChatGPT helps you create more, faster, better. And guess what? People pay good money for folks who can deliver those words, ideas, and solutions. First stop on the money train, content creation. Businesses, bloggers, and brands are always hunting for fresh articles, newsletters, website copy, and social media posts. Tell ChatGPT the topic, tone, and target audience, and in a flash, you've got drafts ready to polish and sell. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or even direct outreach to businesses can help you turn AI-aided writing into cold, hard cash. And the best part? You can scale your business by handling more clients in less time. Next up, freelancing with a twist. Think beyond just writing blogs. ChatGPT can help you create resumes, design marketing emails, draft customer service templates, or even build entire social media calendars. You'll be able to offer multiple freelance services, making yourself the Swiss Army knife of digital work. Put your gigs up on marketplaces, pitch directly to small businesses, and let your growing portfolio and ChatGPT's speed bring in a steady flow of dough. Feeling entrepreneurial? ChatGPT is the perfect partner for building digital products you can sell again and again. Ebooks, printable planners, online courses, checklists, you name it. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, create content, and organize your products into beautiful packages. Sell your creations on Etsy, Gumroad or Gumtree, Amazon Kindle, and you'll have yourself a tidy little stream of passive income rolling in while you sleep. Let's talk affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions just by recommending products online. With ChatGPT's help, you can write blog posts, create review articles, draft emails, and even script videos, all featuring your affiliate links. Good content builds trust. Trust drives clicks. Clicks lead to commissions. The more useful, genuine, and helpful your content is, the more your earnings snowball over time. And with ChatGPT working beside you, you can publish twice as much in half the time. Got skills to share? Maybe you're a math ace, a language whiz, a piano pro, or a whiz at crafting resumes. ChatGPT helps you create lesson plans, practice exercises, cheat sheets, and quizzes for your students. Offer coaching sessions on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even good old Zoom. With a little AI muscle behind you, you can build a personal brand and earn handsomely sharing what you already know. And there you have it, friends. 5 powerful ways to make money with ChatGPT at your side. If you enjoyed this quick ride to prosperity, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the 5-Minute Vault, where smart ideas shine in just 5 minutes flat.